How to trace an image in GIMP. Here are the steps to trace an image in GIMP. New Image Manipulation Program 1. Open the image you want to trace in GIMP. 2. Add a transparent layer on top of the image layer. This will be your trace layer. 3. Select the Paths tool from the toolbox. 4. On the trace layer, zoom into the image and start plotting points along the edges/outlines of the object you want to trace. Click to add anchor points. 5. Drag the points to adjust the path and trace the shape. Use smooth curves rather than hard edges for better tracing. 6. Once the outline is traced, right-click on the path in the Paths dialog and click Stroke Path. This will draw the trace on the transparent layer. 7. Adjust the brush size, color, and opacity to refine the trace. You can add multiple strokes along different paths as needed. 8. When done, right-click on the path and click Path to Selection. This will convert the trace into a selection. 9. Invert the selection and delete outside the trace to remove the background. 10. You can now export just the traced outline/object as an image or transparent PNG from GIMP. Tracing images takes some practice, but it's a useful technique for extracting objects, making cutouts, etc.